everyone, welcome into my channel, Flip Furniture Mom. If you are new, my name is Maggie. 2 months ago, I'm start a new journey. I'm start to flip furniture. I'm start to flip furniture to help my daughter pay her university tuition. And today's video, I'm going to introduce her. Here, my daughter Raquel, at the day of graduation of the high school. She don't like being a camera. I just show some pictures. Now she's on 4th year of university, majors in psychology. 2 months ago, we start a new journey, flip furniture to help her pay her university tuition. And she helped with the furniture, upload the videos for you guys can see, and she is a good daughter. I'm going to use somewhere else tutorial, DIY wife. Custom wood base legs. I saw in YouTube a lot of flippers furniture use DIY wife wood base legs, and today is my turn. I'm not going to show all the details how to building a wood base legs, but I'm linked below DIY wife. You can check all the details how to make wood base legs. Today's flipping is a dressing makeover. I found this dresser on the side of the road. I stopped unloading. If you want to start to flip furniture, or if you already flip furniture, no be embarrassed. If you found some pieces on the side of the roads, stop unloading. We make a profit. And sometimes you can make a good profit on that piece. Use your creativity and learn from others. That's I'm doing. Let's go to see this makeover and how much I make on profit on this free dresser I found on the side of the street. Let's go to start. I found this dresser on the side of the road for free. Has some veneer out, nothing big deal. The back is in pure good condition. All the dresser is in pure good condition. The base has some veneer out, but I'm going to change the base legs. Have a little scratch. Solid wood. A good size dresser. The first time doing, I take it out the hardware for make a good cleaning. If you want to see how to building DIY wife wood-based legs tutorial, the link is listed below. I love how this dress comes out. The color is beautiful. I keep the original hardware and this dress comes so beautiful. I'm in love with this dresser. Let's do a quick look before and after. Let's go talk about the numbers. I found this dresser on the side of the road for free. I spent in wood screws paint around $50. I sold that for $450. I make a profit $400. That $400 goes straight to my daughter's tuition. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed the videos like this, don't miss the next video. Please like, share and subscribe. Share with your friends and family. I really appreciate it. See you next one.